toss, but it worked. What's the nickname? The Big Show. Glenn Maxwell. Can he be that for the Kings here? It's fans in the north of India. Right.
Excellent bowling. How the smiles have turned into frowns from this group.
Hashtag love this guy.
Goes for four. Important boundary for that man Maxwell. 8 to get from 3.
Oh, another lefty, boys. Come to see this from Maxwell often in the T20 game. Favours the shorter boundary and a welcome boundary indeed. 8 of 3 now.
Well, that's what he's about. The old $1 million kid, Glenn Maxwell.
They're going to have a discussion. No. I think they reviewed this. They've gone for a review.
TV umpire to director, we have a player review for LBW. On-field decision is not out, it's fair delivery. Move on to front on spin vision, please. Rock and roll, please. As the ball passes the bat. Can I have one try here, please? Yeah, keep rolling, flat line, keep rolling till the end. Yeah. That line, no bat involved, bat first. Ball tracking, please. Okay. Pitching outside off. Impact umpire's call. Wickets missing. Going back to Chris on field. Stay with your decision. Your on-screen signal not out now. Thank you.
So leg bye given. 7 required from 2. 6 for a super over. Boundary needed. What a piece of magic again from KKR.
Big side of the ground here inside. Well, it was on. Mandy just couldn't get enough of it. Got a fair chunk of it, but a lot of bottom hand. Yeah, just held it back. Beautiful stuff there. And as ever, Sil and I brave to do it, but understandably so. What a wonderful study and concentration from Chris Green. Good catch under pressure. And so Mandeep Singh goes for a blob. It's 158 for 5.
Six required for a super over. How many of these tight games have Kings 11 succumbed to?
Crazy. Simply crazy. Anil Kumble thinking, we're in this situation. What are we doing in this situation? Kings were absolutely cruising at 144 for 1. Then they were 144 for 2, but holy heck. That had to go all the way. Got a little bit too much bottom hand, but kudos to the bowler by holding it back, and it was slower through the air. Could be a coach, Bish.
You probably look back and question the 20-year-old coming in ahead of Glenn Maxwell. That was a critical stage of the contest. Now 6 needed for a super over.
This is it, to take it to a super over. Glenn Maxwell for Kings 11 has to whistle this out of the ballpark. He's got the big boundary favouring the bowler, still on a ride. Here we go.
It's high in the air.